Howdy folks, it's Farmer Jim here, and as you may know, it's that time of year again. It's state fair time. And you know what I like most at the state fair? Elephant ears. That's right, elephant ears. I love them so much. But did you know you can make them at home as well? It's so easy. Grab your refrigerated biscuits and slap them on down. Flatten out those biscuits and place it in your air fryer basket that's been sprayed. We're gonna cook it at 350 degrees for about 5 minutes. All done in the air fryer. Now I'm gonna add a little butter on top. Next, powdered sugar. And you won't believe what I found at the store. I found this. Cinnamon Toast Crunch Cinnadust. I'm gonna put that on top. It's time for the fair! Woo! That's good cooking! Why are elephant ears so big? It doesn't matter. It's irrelevant!